All right, guys, I've never done an unboxing before. Well, I have, but long time ago. So here we go. Got a new pressure washer. Here we go. Let's have a look at what it is. All right. Bepower is the brand, I suppose. I got this from Canac, the place I always talk about. 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. 1.7 gallons per minute. I'm not very good at pressure washers, so I'm not really sure if those are good numbers. What about you, Letty? What do you think? Is that good? I guess, eh? It's the French side, another French side. And here we go, features. Here's all the good stuff. And that's what it includes. 35-inch power cord, that's good. So let's dig inside this box and see what we got in there. Right? Now, I'm not sure of this brand, I've never heard of it before. So if you guys know it, let me know down below in the comments. And also, if you've used these before, give me your reviews. I have a friend of mine who did a bit of research on these things and had a few, took them apart. Not necessarily this brand, but the budget brand around this. I paid $150 Canadian for it. It was on sale. Original price was $199, so $200 Canadian. Now, he says, my sources tell me that most of these things are all built the same. It's all the same on the inside. So really, you're just, whatever you pay for around that price bracket, it's roughly the same thing. This is a 2,000 pound. I saw a couple there at 1,700 pounds. This one was on sale. I got the bigger one. So we got a plastic piece. And the plastic piece, I assume that's a handle. Some more plastic pieces. Oh, some nozzles in here. Another nozzle. Now I assume these will fit on there nicely. The end piece, that actually kind of looks pretty decent. It doesn't look too cheap. I mean, it's cheap, it's just plastic, it's not metal, but it doesn't look ridiculous. Okay, you want that? We get the gun. We got the hose. Hey, I'm recording. Here's some hardware and the instruction manual. Now we have the unit itself. Bubble wrap. Want some bubble wrap? Alright, so let's lay this out a bit. This is everything that came in the box. Here we have all the pieces. That's a nozzle. There's a piece for your garden hose. I assume that attaches to the machine itself. There's another nozzle there. I guess we can open this up. So we got this plastic piece and this other plastic piece. And this, I'm assuming that's the nozzle that spins. That's the regular one. And as previously mentioned, with the filter on it, the piece that links up to there. Do not remove this tag. The connector for the gun, that's to give it some reach, I guess. And the gun itself. Interesting. So that must plug into there, but there's a threaded piece here, which doesn't make any sense. This is the main unit. Oh, we got our foam cannon in the back here. Just gonna obviously clip into that arm piece. Now I assume that this is gonna be the hole to put the gun in, and this will hold in other stuff. This could come off. That's the power cord on the side. So let's put her together and I guess see how it works. Okay, so these pieces here, it's kind of weird. If you turn them, well, I turned one, so you turn them, it comes like this in the box. Get it up, turn it, and it kind of locks into place. It did. This one's locked in place. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, well anyway, I turned it to unlock it, which is I guess what this groove is here for. There we go. Now they're both locked into place. I'm assuming this handle goes up on top. There's a place for the hardware there. This is fairly simple. Obviously clicks on the side. That's locked in position. And this, I don't know. If I had to bet money, it would go right here. Some more hardware. You guys can see that, right? It's gonna connect down here. And that's what I assume is gonna hold your gun when you put it in place for storage. On the front, we have an input and an output. Let's get the hoses up. Okay, to make a quick correction, you don't have to turn these arms to make them go up and down. Turns out that this button right here, that does the trick. Who knew? That's pretty much the basics of what comes in the box, how it sits, how it looks, how it kind of works. So let's just go ahead and put our hardware in so we can test it out. So the machine is all together now. There's only 4 screws that go in, Phillips head, small screws. 3 into this rack that I put back here. This holds the hose when it's not in use. 1 goes in here, which is the holster for the gun. Slide it down like so. Stays nice and neat. This is where your hose attaches to your gun. On the system itself, this is the attachment for your hose to your gun. And this one is for your water source. You can't go wrong because there's a little icon right there that tells you exactly what it is. So that's the whole unit put together, minimal hardware. The only tools I needed was these 2 screwdrivers, a large and small Phillips head. Came with some extra gaskets. I hope they're extra, but I didn't have to put them in. We'll find out if it leaks like crazy. And then we'll hook up the hose, a few little things to do, and she's ready to go. Simple, it clicks in. There's a gasket on it already, so I don't have to worry about that. Tighten it up just a little bit. It should be good. This side here, forget the instructions. The picture says it's gonna go on like this. Now quite simply, garden hose hooks on here. Put this on the gun. Straight away. Since it's right here, because of its placing, it's a little awkward to get your hand around that and tighten it right up. That's okay. So that should be good. Let's go test her out. Okay, so I left it on a few minutes. There's no visible leaks. That's a good thing. I'll plug it in, fire it up, test it out. Okay, let's give it a go. I'm going to test it on this lawnmower, which is a total mess right now. Wheel broke off. I need the pressure wash underneath to clean it, to be able to weld it back on. Saw that weird thing it did, right? It was pulsing, so I turned it off and back on. I don't know if that's normal for a shot. Maybe there wasn't enough water in it. See? Maybe that's a feature. Not impressive so far. So I guess that's my unboxing vid. For the 150 bucks, I guess it is what it is. I'm not super impressed with it, but then again, I am spoiled, and I've been using industrial style ones at work that'll almost put you on your ass because they got so much pressure. I guess as long as it washes the car. kids.
By the tranny on all high, by the cam and the youth run, listen me.